as bad as the Peanut, okay?
Peanut is man. Is
Peanut's a pro. I know he's a pro.
Peanut is a monster, man.
He's probably Shroud or someone else, Timmy's brother.
Nah,
Josh
I don't know.
was Timmy's brother, I think, yeah.
I don't know. Who's his brother?
Josh? I used to be friends with his friend. Sorry, his brother, sorry.
I don't think he has a brother. Maybe they're just teammates.
Yeah. No, he has a brother. It's on... When I met Josh, he told me he was the brother of, Timmy.
I could say the same, Jet Li.
Yeah, but I talked to Timmy and both of them in the same chat a long time ago, and they were... It's on Wikipedia and everything, too. It's documented. It's not like only over voice.
Okay,
you know?
okay.
It's documented.
Okay, then I believe you. Okay, let's go, Anna. It's been a long time we haven't played this game, huh? Jet Li, wait. We no longer in NA. I'm so happy. Fuck you.
What do you mean?
They have fixed their game. I no longer go to your server.
Oh, we're in your server. Oh, yeah.
That's why I said pook you, Jet Li. No more NA. Let's go. Let's go.
That means I have to try better, huh?
Yeah, you have to work double, Jet Li. You gotta work.
John out?
Wait, let me increase your volume because I don't hear you because of the game sound. Yeah. Repeat again. What did you say?
They took Trojan out or whatever his name. Oh, Chober Johnson out in Stadium.
What is Chopper?
They got the turrets.
I have no idea what you mean, Jet Li. Turrets. Let me see.
The guy, I couldn't pick him.
Ah, okay. But nobody has that guy. Why you were able to pick? What do you mean? What you were trying to pick?
They got the turrets. I didn't see them.
Ah, okay. So.
I think they took him out of.
Ah, okay. I couldn't check, man. I don't know what. Okay, probably they have switched the characters. Yeah.
It seems slower now. The game.
Maybe because it's the first round.
Maybe because I'm on your server.
You died already, Jet Li? Come on, man.
God.
10 seconds until the objective's unlocked.
I didn't even make it to the middle.
Yeah, they're destroying us. They are destroying us.
Yeah, bet.
I want to kill this bird. I can't heal you now. Don't jump.
That's someone.
Nice. Good job, good job, good job, good job, good job.
My gun shoots.
Come back, come back, come back, come back, come back. You missed.
I missed it, so yeah.
No way. I ulted, at least I ulted him. I ulted him, but I'm not sure he's gonna kill them. Was I able to hit that guy? Our tank? I think I did. Hi, Justin. ¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo estás? How's it going, guys? Welcome. Please don't forget to like the stream. Thank you, thank you. Are you Overwatch player? Don't die. No, he just ulted. Gotcha. No, I don't wanna die. I'm still so young. Testing, your name looks like Spanish. Are you Mexican or from Spain? ¿Hablas español? You speak español? No, Jetly, do something, Jetly. Do something, Jetly. You gotta do something, Jetly. Come on! Kill them all!
I'm not gonna kill them all.
Come on, man! No, we lose. Can I touch?
Not yet.
I can't touch.
No.
I couldn't touch because there's everything. All good, all good. It's our first round, but we are MVPs. Do you guys play Overwatch? What games you playing?
Time for the teams to gear up.
Ah, hablas español. Qué bien. Qué bien. No sé por qué me traduce los chats a YouTube a inglés. Pensaba que hablabas en inglés. Yo hablo 4 idiomas, con lo cual podéis hablar cualquier idioma. Sin problem. Anybody else speak Spanish or English? Gimme. Español e inglés, muy bien. ¿Eres de México o de España? ¿De qué parte del mundo eres? Ay. No puedo elegir esto. ¿Qué podemos quitar? Alright. Vamos con esto también y listo. Oh, I'm an alien. I'm an eagle alien. I'm an Englishman in New York. Oh. Se escucha mucho, ¿no? Mi voz. Open fire! Was it die? Stop moving, man!
Me?
No, the other guy, healer. I don't know what am I doing here. Ah. No. I couldn't run away, man. Man, they have good DPS and we have nothing, I swear.
I'm not finished.
What do you mean? I had the most damage that round.
700. I count exactly. I wanna try to kill this bitch. You better run, yeah. The other guy is hitting me from behind. I'm very low. I'm sorry. Nah, this is not good.
Damn. This is definitely.
Catch! Oh, he was one shot. I swear. He was one shot.
Our team needs to fight hard to close the gap.
I'm gonna die. Where did she go?
I don't know.
Gotcha.
You're powered up. Get in there.
Nice, 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 nice.
You got the tank. Let's
Yeah,
go.
I'm going for the objective, man. Nobody's on objective.
Our team needs to fight hard.
Come back, come back, come back, come back.
30 seconds remaining.
I'm the only person in the stream
Guys,
because
stop
people
it.
like gorilla tag. All good, brother. All good. I was trying to get the objective. What can I do? Nobody was on the objective,
2-2. Sami
and
has
yet we are the object. We are the MVP again. Mmm, qué rico huele.
up next. The teams are facing off in clash.
No hay problema, hermano. Lo que más importa es que nos pasamos bien. Vale, vamos a cambiar algo. Vamos a quitar esto y vamos a ir por más fire rate. Porque la arma que tenemos es lentísima. A ver, y más esto. Y voy a abrir una cosa para bajar el calor del juego que no veo. Ah, no veo nada. ¿A que sí? Ya lo sé, ya lo sé. Alright, listo.
The arena is
Todo listo.
stalling. Our team has 20 seconds left.
No, no estaba lag. Lo que pasa, bajé el juego, hice alt tab. No estaba viendo la pantalla, por eso te pasó esto.
Needs to give it their all to make their
¿Queréis que suba un poco el color del juego? Más brillo, más color, como queráis. Me parece que está un poco más negro en el juego. Ow, 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 ow. I'm sorry.
You should have died.
I can't hear you, man. I can't hear you. Wow, what was that? Dale, dale, dale. Ah, había otro detrás de nosotros. Vale, acabo de ver. No hay problem.
I'm not finished.
¿No me has dicho si eras de México o eras de España?
How does that always pick me?
Oh shit. I wasn't able to move. No era capaz de moverme. Nos han aplastado. Okay, you English. All right. That's so bad, man. That's really so bad. GG's.
Wishing this team all the best in the next match.
That was a terrible game.
I did better than our damage guy.
Play of the game.
A little bit.
All good, all good. Their DPS was so good, man. Yes, but where are you living now? Where do you live? ¿Dónde vives? Oh, I'm an alien. I'm an eagle alien. I'm an Englishman in New York. Oh. So, Jetli, how was the Overwatch experience? What do you think?
Not too bad.
What would you say? What would you say?
It's more like comp now because you can't just murder everyone.
No, you can't. You gotta
You
survive
gotta play
like
more, yeah.
you gotta play
It's
like
like ranked more.
high HP. Yeah, you gotta play like it's Apex to survive and play kill people like it's Overwatch. You have to combine.
Mhm.
Yeah. ¿Tú juegas? You play Overwatch, Justin? Oh, we have free boxes, Jetly. Don't forget to open them. You get them by play the game.
3 boxes.
Mm-hmm. Because it's 10th year anniversary.
Oh yeah. Oh, I have 7. Oh, 11.
You have
I have
11
11.
boxes? Wow. The game is boosting you. So the game is not lagging, right,
12 of
guys?
20. No, 9. I have 9.
Okay, nice. What's your level? If you guys want to play, you can join us. Let's create our first squad in Overwatch.
Oh my god, I got this fat guy with a tongue sticking out that's blue. Kaiju skin.
Why the game
I
doesn't
thought
find a
caustic.
match? And what is your favorite
Maybe
character, guys, in Overwatch? Ayo, I'm tired
We got
using
nothing for soldier.
technology. You got me saying ayo, I'm tired using technology. You got me saying, you got me saying.
One last box.
Wow, you're so fast at opening the boxes, Jetly. The big
Decinium,
one.
Mercy skin,
You mean
Decinium, the robot.
this one? This big one? The hawk?
The Decinium skins for 3 people. Purple
Mm.
and white.
To face off in control.
People I don't use. Oh, there's Trojan. Why couldn't I pick him last time?
Ah, maybe you had the timeout was off because you have to be fast.
Anna's got her eye on the
Okay, I'm gonna
prize.
increase
video.
the what's called resolution. I will make it 2K. I hope my stream is not gonna lag. If it lags, guys, please let me know. Please let me know.
Everyone, the game is about to begin.
Please let me know if my stream is lagging. Yeah. How are you guys? How are you? How are you?
The teams are gearing up.
Alright,
Every
let's go
choice
with
is crucial.
my turn. This one, I'm going to be focused on my ult all the time. Okay, let me see. I live in Spain, but I am originally from Turkey, but I'm Kurdish. Kurd, Kurdish. I speak 4 languages: Espanol, Turkish, Kurdish, and a bit English.
The arena is
You only speak 4?
Yeah, what a pity now.
I speak my Cambodian friend. He speaks 11. He's only 11 years old,
Stay in the shadows.
Well, what languages?
You've made
and I only speak -2.
Ooh, you're good, Jetly. It's also a skill. Don't worry. I wish I could speak -2 languages as well.
time to capture the objective.
But I will never be able, Jetly. It's a big skill, big skill.
Yeah, there's some kid on YouTube. He's from my country, born there and everything. He speaks 11 languages now. Crazy.
Yeah, but I can also increase it. Like I can say I speak Brazilian, Portuguese too. I don't say that.
Yeah, but he's on YouTube and he learned from all the tourists. That's why. The tourists taught him many different words, obviously, today.
I got you, I got you, I got you.
Kill this kid! Yeah!
Nice, 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 nice.
Don't fret. I see you.
I have to heal. I have to heal.
Die, kid!
Go,
You
go, go
won.
for tank! Go for tank!
Yeah, got him. Yeah,
Nice,
got him.
nice, 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 nice. We are cooking. We're cooking. We're cooking. You only speak 2 languages. That's good, brother. Not bad.
Look at me, I'm fat. A little bit. I came to the buffet 10 times today.
I have my ult.
Nano boost is ready to deploy.
Nice shot, buddy. I got you. I got you. I got you. Nice. You can go for Jetly, no problem.
One! No, I killed!
Show me yourself. Show me yourself. I really enjoy playing Jetly. What is that Jetly? What is this ulti Jetly? What is this Jetly?
Oh, double kill!
You're powered up. Get in there.
I am fat a little bit. Oh!
Come to me, come to me. Why are you in the corner? You gotta show me yourself. Nice. I really enjoy playing a lot Ana, especially in this game mode. Especially in this game mode. Javi,
Hey.
is that you? Welcome. We have played Overwatch. How's it going?
Who's that?
Bienvenido. He's my friend, co-worker from job. From work.
Hi.
You know
Hello.
Jetly? You know who's Javi? I think.
Yeah.
Oh, Javi.
Javi, yes.
Papi chulo.
Papi chulo.
Oh, Poppy. I remember Poppy.
Of course you do, bro.
Long time no see.
Yeah, I was busy. I have a lot of work at home. You fine?
Huh?
You pretty good? You fine?
Yeah.
Negative.
I took a minor breakdown. You know, I deleted like 99% of my friends online. But yeah,
Whoa. What's
How
happening?
do I mute myself while you guys
too much
speaking?
drama. You know, it's like I realize who my true friends are online. You know, I
Yeah, me
shouldn't be
too.
cyberbullied.
I have changed also my friends
Okay,
last year.
I was
because
already
after
muted. So,
playing,
you speak 100
the
languages,
last 20 years
Justin?
with the same guys.
You're
And
crazy,
every
buddy.
time when I have time,
God damn.
they never contact me back. Or they
Ooh,
never
big
send
W,
messages
big
Yeah.
back.
W
So-
for
so I have-
Justin.
Yep.
Big
I have
W for
cut
Justin.
the conversation
Dang.
with there, and I think it was the time to
Cut the pain.
react and to check really when you are online, which guy is online and can play with you and have time.
Yeah. So, Tiraj, buddies, right? Can the stream hear me?
I hear you, yes. And do you hear me?
Let's move out.
Do you guys hear me? Hello?
We can hear you, yeah.
Okay, now you can hear me.
No, but
Te voy a dar la cuenta y la contraseña.
I'm throwing.
I
Throwing.
go to buffet. Time to go to buffet. Buffet.
It was just a joke. I'm just kidding. No worries, no worries. I knew you were joking.
Cat.
I'm trolling, man. How I missed that guy. I thought he was low because he was behind the tree. I thought she was 1 HP. I'm trying to punch him, but she wasn't low, actually. But you gotta kill that girl. You gotta kill this girl. I'm gonna do it. No worries. I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. I got
Oh,
it.
I got
You
it.
shame.
I got it. No. Ah!
Kill this guy. Kill this guy. Nice.
Yeah, I got him.
Gotcha. Gotcha. I really enjoy playing Ana a lot. Come here, yeah.
I'm
Come
like
here.
2 seconds delayed. I'm moon jumping.
You better run.
My boy.
No run. What is this barricade?
Get in there, and I'll get you.
How much left for your old soldier? Let me know how much old you have. You know how old I am? I'm 19. You are still young. You're amazing. Oh shit.
Baris, te acabo de mandar por...
¿Sí? ¿Me lo mandaste?
sí, por WhatsApp te mandé el nombre
Ok.
del usuario y la contraseña.
Genial.
Después, cuando quieres cambiar la correo electrónico,
Ok.
avísame por si me llega a mí la notificación para cambiarlo.
Vale. Ahora estoy jugando, pero cuando acabe te aviso, ¿vale?
Ah, pues no acabe, lo miramos.
Llamo es...
Oh, I don't wanna die. I'm dead. I'm dead. I knew it. But for some reason that game got deleted for me. Why? You mean you no longer have your account?
You'll have to try.
Javi, gracias. Cuando acabe te aviso, ¿vale? No sé si vas a estar jugando.
No, estoy actualizando controladores y esas cosas.
Sí.
We must get
Sí,
the
porque
robot
llevo
now.
casi un mes sin usar el ordenador.
I killed him.
I
I
have
killed
most
him.
damage in the game. Okay.
Damn.
I can hardly believe my optics when I see stats like
I killed them. That's why we won. Because they were on the objective. If I didn't kill, they would won.
it's the
They would win.
payload race.
Javi, ¿cómo me mandaste? ¿Por Discord o por dónde?
No, te lo mandé por
Now's the
WhatsApp.
time for our
Ah,
teams
por
to
WhatsApp.
work out their
Ok,
strategies.
ok. Después lo veo. Good
Porque,
job.
el nombre que elegí para la cuenta de Steam, después también la cambias tú.
Sí, 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 ya me habías dicho como... Ya, ¿qué es? ¿Hiciste los test
Sí,
que
te
te dije?
Sí, los he visto, sí, sí. Está
Pero
bien.
hiciste también
No,
tú
aún
para
no
que
hice nada,
veas...
no tuve tiempo hasta ahora.
Ya... ¿Y vas a hacer? O...
Voy a hacer algunas cosas ahora, sí.
Ok. Pues entonces hablamos. Si vienes, igual...
Voy a buscar algo de beber, dame un momento.
Sí, sin problema. Si quieres, ven a Overwatch. Y jugamos un poco a Overwatch. Me parece.
The arena is ready and waiting. 20 seconds to go.
Oh, I'm lagging now. What the
Ah,
heck?
you were banned? Really? I'm sorry. Maybe you use some bad words. Could be. Justin.
Over here.
Oh.
Negative.
There's a friend in chat, YouTube chat. He says that he was banned.
Stay.
I'm sorry to hear that.
That must change.
What is that? What the? Oh no!
Go on back. What's happened?
Man, this is crazy. No, people start reporting me because I was too good. Okay, that's so bad. But they cannot ban you because you're playing good, Justin. You gotta be using something. Sorry to say that.
I got you.
I'm gonna get away so I can heal you and heal, deal damage on them. No way, this guy is not letting me play. This Meow guy. This guy was chasing me, Meow Meow. This guy. With Mercy healing him. And they just don't like me. They want to...
One of these days I'll
They
end
want me
up in
dead.
PG.
They want me dead, basically. But my teammates are cooking. I slapped them, but...
Stand up straight. You're powered up.
Not you, man. Just I wanted to ult you, man. I wanted to ult you. Why me, buddy? No, Mercy, come on.
60 seconds left.
I go out on my terms.
Our team needs to fight hard to close the gap. The opponent has reached the halfway mark.
I'm no easy man.
30 seconds remaining.
Tenías tú 112.000, ¿no?
Sí. Gotcha.
10 seconds remaining.
Over there. Keep fighting. Nodding off.
GG's.
I need to see this again.
I don't know why I hear the game sound very low, guys. What's wrong? Studio night mode? Yeah, it was definitely night mode before. GG's. So, Javi, what are you planning to play?
96.542 puntos tengo yo.
Ajá, no está mal.
Impeccable.
No, para un Ryzen está bien, ¿no? A ver, tu CPU es un poco más potente que el mío.
Además está muy más rápido. O sea, también el mío llega hasta 50, ¿cómo se dice? 52 gigahercios, también llega.
5.2 gigahercios.
Sí, 5.2.
Sí, el mío anda en 4,7, 4,8, 4,6 según el juego, ¿sabes?
Está bien, está muy bien.
Sí, el mío está bien optimizado.
Guys, what games you prefer, Overwatch or Battlefield? What should we play next? Let me know.
I prefer to game Battlefield because we don't play Battlefield a long time, and we need to discuss a little bit the new maps and the new vehicles and the new gameplay to see what have really changed in the last time.
Okay. When are you
So-
planning to play? Tomorrow
No,
or
but you
this
need to
weekend?
download it first.
No worries, but you won't be playing today, right? Or you gonna play? Are you gonna play today?
I actually update right now the game.
So you are planning to play the game?
Yes, why not?
I thought you're gonna be busy.
Oh, I have time.
Let me check.
My
That
kids
is-
and my wives are sleeping, so I have time.
Okay, my game is on Steam, so I can't change my account yet. Let me see.
Yeah.
No problem. Justin, are you still here? No problem. We will play one more game while your game is getting updated, and we will next time. My game is up to date, so I will just switch account and that's it. Jet, do you have Battlefield?
Yeah, but you have only Red Sack.
Yeah, I mean, I won't lose time downloading because my game is already up to date. I just need to switch account and that's it. You know?
I'm not sure. I think if you switch the account, you need to download the game completely
No,
new
no, no,
because
no.
it's another account.
No. Steam automatically detects that the game is downloaded. It just, if you don't have the game, if you don't own the game, I guess, I don't know. I will see now. But I think previously I played other games.
I'm updating the game right now, but because I have the game in EA Games, not in Steam.
Oh, wait. Let me try that. I'm going to leave Overwatch now. Just a few minutes. Jetty will not like this, but Jetty will think I sold him.
New NVIDIA driver.
Okay, I'm in. You see, Javi? I have the game.
¿No entraste ya en el juego? ¿Qué le pasa a mi ordenador? ¿Que no funciona o qué? What the fuck? Simplemente tienes que cambiar el correo electrónico y cambiar el nombre dentro del juego, de amigos.
No.
Hello?
Jet Li,
Yeah.
do you have Steam? Do you have
we-
do you have Battlefield?
I think so.
Okay. Download it. We
Last
will
time
play.
we played Battlefield, last time